Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to explore how to set up a secure VPN connection using the KPN Tunnel app with a custom UDP service. We'll be using an SSL server to create a secure tunnel which can enhance your online privacy and security. Step 1. Installing the KPN Tunnel app. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for KPN Tunnel and download the app. Once installed, open the app. Step 2. Finding a reputable custom UDP service. Open your web browser, like Chrome or Safari. Search for UDP Custom and click on the official UDP Custom website. Make sure the website looks legitimate and trustworthy. Step 3. Accessing SSL server options. 1. Navigate to the menu. On the custom UDP website's homepage, tap the menu icon, often 3 horizontal lines. 2. Choose SSL server. From the menu options, select SSH servers, then SSL server. Step 4. Creating an SSL server account. 1. Create an account. Create an SSL server account on the website by providing a username and password. 2. Save server details. Carefully copy the server details, including the IP address, username, password, and port. Step 5. Configuring KPN Tunnel 1. Choose SSL TLS proxy. In the KPN Tunnel app, open the settings and select the SSL TLS proxy option. 2. Add a valid SNI. Enter a valid SNI, server name indication, into the KPN Tunnel settings. An SNI helps ensure your VPN connection connects to the correct server. 3. Enter server details. In the KPN Tunnel settings, enter the server details you copied earlier: IP address, username, password, and port. 4. Create a payload, optional. You can optionally create a payload to customize your VPN settings. This step isn't always necessary, but it can allow for more advanced configuration. Step 6. Connecting to the VPN. Tap the Start button in the KPN Tunnel app to initiate your VPN connection. You should now be securely connected using the SSL server. Step 7. Check connection logs, optional. For additional information about your VPN connection, you can check the connection logs within the KPN Tunnel app. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights. You'll find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications for more great content. Stay secure and happy browsing.